Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to log into your Xbox account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Xbox account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there, type in the address xbox.com and hit on enter. And then you'll be directed to the home page of Xbox. Now on this interface, guys, you can see this is the home page of Xbox over here. In order to log in, either you can click on the sign in button over here, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen, or the top right corner of the screen. You can see the sign in button over here as well. Click on that sign in button. Either of those will take you to the login panel of Xbox like this, and enter your Outlook account or your Microsoft account which is linked to your Xbox. And after entering your account, click on next and enter the password of your account, whichever may it be. Since my computer has saved my email and password of the Xbox account, I won't be required to manually type in, but in your case you can manually type in. And after doing that, click on the sign in button over here, and then you'll be logged into your Xbox account. And that being said, guys, this is how to sign into your Xbox account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.